Hi, today I'm running the OPPO A16S and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll and tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel, and just to mute ringtone you should hold and slide to the left side this dot. So by this way, we just successfully mute ringtone volume on our OPPO device. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first, we should tap to advanced settings, and here in volume button function, you should be sure that you have selected the ringtone volume. And now just by pressing the down volume button, we can also mute ringtone volume. And also we can make it by the third way just by slide to the down this volume panel with our finger. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.